I want to look at how Popplet can be used to create more interesting and engaging and interactive presentations. So I have this old PowerPoint that I put together this year just for revision for my students. As you can see, it's very, very basic. It's just text, not really the best way to present all of this information. So I'm going to create a new Popplet from this information. So I click on Make New Popplet, name it, and I can select the color. In this case, I think red is probably the most appropriate. And there's my new Popplet. So I need to make a popple, and I can insert a picture in here. The more pictures the better, because it just looks more visually engaging. And there's Gough. I can add a caption there. So Gough Whitlam. And this is going to be in a mind map format. So to do that, I click on that little dot there, and I can make a new popple rather, that's connected to my main popple. This will be kind of a subheading, and so I want to make the text a little bit big, and I can change the color of the popple as well, just to make it a little bit more easy to understand. So then I copy across the text from the old PowerPoint, and I can paste it into my new Popplet. I'll give it a title, so that's Women. It's better if it's in a separate popple, I think, just so it's easier to see and visualize the information. And if you make the popples the same color, it's quite obvious that that's the title for that popple. And then I just make that a little bit bigger, paste in my old information, and then here I go, sped up, quickly reformatting it. It'll take you a little bit longer than that, and there you go. And here is my completed Popplet, taking all of that information from the PowerPoint presentation, and it's now in kind of a mind map format, but with lots of extra details. So this Popplet could simply be made available to your students for their own private revision by clicking on Share. But you can also actually turn it into a presentation that you can go through with them in class, like a more traditional PowerPoint. So in order to do that, the first thing I think you should do is remove these little name tags that you can see on every one of the popples. So you go View, Hide Name Tags, and then my name is removed from all of those popples. And then we go View again and into Presentation Mode. And then we select the order in which we want the popples to appear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, just in the order you want all of the slides to appear. And then when you're ready, click on the Present button, and it will walk you through the presentation in the order that you would like it to go in. So the left and right key go forward and back. The up and down arrows zoom in and out. So here we go. So 1, Gough Whitlam, 2, 3, 4. So I just keep clicking the forward arrow on my keyboard. And then if you want to go back at any time, you obviously click the back arrow, or you can simply move your mouse, like click your mouse on the screen, and it'll allow you to zoom out and then go back up if I want to go back and talk about women again, and scroll around, look at the mind map, talk about other points, and then just click the forward arrow and then it'll get you back on track. So as you can see, Popplet is quite an interesting and versatile alternative to PowerPoint. Thank you.